Good morning, good morning. I hope everybody is doing well by God's grace. Yes. And today we are going to look at how to get 500 megabytes free or 1 gig free using it in the worldwide. This can work worldwide. So Nigeria, I'm in Ghana now. Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, Benin, Bangladesh, South Africa, Australia. Everybody can use this. So without wasting my time, I will head you straight to the platform so that we can learn perfectly on how to get that free internet connection. So this is the app. Here is the app. I will leave the app link in the video description below, so when you click on it, it will lead you straight to the Play Store for you to download it. Yes, so I will click on it. To open, you can join their Telegram, but if you think you are not interested in the Telegram group, you will click later on the left hand side. So when you open it in this way, just click the three dots here. Click the three dots on the upper right corner of the screen. Yes, this area. Yes, that three dot there. Click on it. Then click on check update. You click on check update. Checking for new configuration update. So let's wait for a moment. It will update it very soon, or give us an update of it very soon. Let's wait for a minute or a moment to load. Yes, and done. So the first, we have the three horizontal box there. You click on the first one. You can choose any server here. For me, I'll choose the first one, which is the fastest server. Germany will work. Germany has been working for me a while, and I choose the fastest server. United States can work for you. United States 1, 2. Yes, it will work for you. But I'll choose the fastest server one. Yes, and I'm in Ghana. Then I'll select 500 GHA 500 GHA MTN 500 MB per day. Yes, 500 megabytes per day. That's what I'll choose. I'm talking about this one. Yes, this is the first one. I'll click on it. Then you can click the third box below to add a time, because if you don't have any time, there's no way the app can perform a task for you, or the app can run very fast for you, or even it won't work at all. So you need to add a time. I have 31 minutes 7 seconds. Yes, that's what I have. Yes, it is an hours to here, 31 hours 7 minutes and other seconds. So after you finish everything, for this one you won't set any MMS on the APN section. Yes, what you do is what I've teach you right now, only the settings that you do. So you click on the begin. You click on begin. The app will connect automatically for you. And if you have two SIM, when you finish with the 500 megabytes, you can switch to the next one, so that you can also enjoy the another 500 megabytes, which is equivalent to 1 gig. Yes, which is equivalent to 1 gig. So no worry, it will work for you very fast. It will work for you very fast. Me, I've been using it just a week now, and I can't hide this thing from you. Yes, that's why I've taken time to explain everything to you step by step so that you can also enjoy it. Yes, I've been using this to uploading YouTube videos and others, so you can also join it. And it is working. It is working. Yes, it is working very well, and I'm very proud to share this thing with you. And in case of anything, I'll let you know. And in case you don't understand anything, just leave the comment section below so that I'll reply or assist you to do it. That's step by step. Yes, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button, so and you can also share it to your friends so that they will also enjoy it, because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes, it has connected. When you click on watch video free, there's get more time for you to just browse and do more things with this amazing app. Yes, I choose the fastest server and I choose the MTN unlimited. You can choose the MTN unlimited and you can choose the 500 megabytes, which will also work for you. Can test the unlimited MTN. You can test the MTN Ghana unlimited, and any country that you are, you can also choose that unlimited. And if it the app is slowing, you can choose the 500 megabytes for you to get some point to watch the video. After that, you convert or switch to MTN unlimited. Yes, so let's check the key. Yes, here is the connection sign. When you see the key, yes, the key over there, that's how it is. And also you can check down here that it has been connected. You can check down here. Yes, yes, connected. VPN is connected successfully. Yeah, so you can use it to browse, do anything that you like. Yes, so you want. So thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button so that your friends can also see and enjoy too as well. Sharing is caring. Please remember. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.